What's the name of the place? IHOP.
Yes.
Okay. Tell them to stop stuffing their pancakes with all this extra stuff. Sometimes you just want a plain pancake with maple syrup. That's it.
Tonight in court, we're looking at the case of Frank Garza, man facing serious charges tied to weapons possession after a prior felony conviction. The state has shifted its offer multiple times, and now Garza is staring down 2 years of probation instead of hard prison time. But here's where things get interesting. It's not just about probation. We're talking about firearms, forfeiture, community service, parenting classes, and restrictions that could shape the rest of his life. And in the middle of all of this, Garza himself has to stand before the judge and explain his past, his family, and even his job at IHOP. This hearing may sound straightforward, but pay attention because every word here shows us how plea bargains, probation conditions, and courtroom negotiations can completely rewrite someone's future. So buckle in, this isn't just a sentencing, it's a legal balancing act.
Garza,
Yes, Your Honor.
and is this an application?
Yes, Judge, we've changed it. This is the one that we've been here a couple times before. They got the 911 tape or a 911 tape for me last week, and we've listened to it, and it really doesn't clear anything up. But in the meantime, the state has agreed to change the offer from 2 to 2 years probation.
All right.
And so we have previously filled out an application
Right.
for probation.
So, sir, do you want to be on the probation or do you just want to do
Probation.
the probation?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Court is calling 2025. Oh, I'm sorry. We've already done the paperwork. You've already been given the admonishments. All right. All right, we're on the record in 2025 CR 005952, State versus Frank Garza. Could I have parties announced for the record, please?
Espinoza for the state.
Donald Wilson for Mr. Garza.
And you're Mr. Garza? All right, so there have been some changes to the offer that's been tendered to you. And according to the new plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that there be 2 years in the prison.
Here's a crucial teaching moment. What the judge is explaining is a probated fine. That means Garza technically owes $1,000, but if he plays by the rules and completes probation successfully, that fine essentially disappears. It's the court's way of saying, behave and you save, slip up and you pay. This is an incentive system baked right into sentencing. And notice how the judge takes the time to make sure Garza really understands it, because if he violates probation, that money isn't the only thing he risks. A violation could put him back behind bars. What do you think, fair deal, or just a ticking time bomb waiting for one mistake?
They're recommending community supervision, you to forfeit the firearm, and there's $1,000 fine probated. Did you understand that to be your agreement now?
Okay.
Do you understand that as your new agreement?
To be on probation? Yes. Yes.
All right, and so what a probated fine means is if that you successfully complete this probation, you won't have to pay the fine. If you're unsuccessful, you may have to pay that fine. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. As previously stated, the court found you guilty of attempted unlawfully carrying of a weapon with a felony conviction. Are you prepared to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Sir, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Frank Garza.
All right, Mr. Garza, do you have any type of mental health treatment in the past? Have you ever used any type of illegal substances?
Not, it's been years since I was a
Here's the
kid.
thing, I'm talking about in the past, so have you ever used it in the past? And what would that be?
No,
What else?
I drink a little bit.
What else?
That's it.
All right. Do you have any children?
I do. My oldest is 22 years old.
Do you have any grandchildren?
I do. She's about going on 1 year old.
And if you were released, do you have a place to live?
I do.
And who would be living there?
Just me.
Okay. All right. When's the last time you had employment?
I still have my employment. They're actually working with me. Did through this entire ordeal.
All right. And what do you do?
I'm a cook out IHOP,
Oh, where are you a cook?
River Center.
River Center? What's the name of the place?
IHOP.
IHOP.
Yes.
Okay. Tell them to stop stuffing their pancakes with all this extra stuff. Sometimes you just want a plain pancake with maple syrup. That's it. All right. The court is going to sentence.
Now, the sentence is laid out in full detail: 2 years probation, mandatory employment proof, no unsupervised contact with minors, and 100 hours of community service. But here's the twist: those service hours can be satisfied if Garza completes parenting classes, because the court isn't just punishing, it's also trying to reform. With a grandchild at home, the judge clearly sees parenting skills as part of rehabilitation. This blend of accountability and rehabilitation shows how modern sentencing often tries to address root causes instead of just locking someone away. Let me ask you, do you think courts should focus more on punishment or on second chances like this?
You to 2 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 2 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, no unsupervised contact with minors, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, field visits 1 time per month for 6 months, forfeit the weapon, TAP evaluation out of custody. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment. There's a $1,000 fine that will be probated. Probation, is there anything else?
Oh, I'm sorry. No, Judge.
All right. I'll do 100 hours of community service restitution, and I'm going to order parenting classes since you have that grandchild. So
Yes, ma'am.
once you complete the parenting classes, your community service hours will be deemed satisfied.
I'm actually enrolled with Crisis.
Oh, you are?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, awesome. Why are you enrolled with them?
It's just something I do.
Oh, well, good. I am glad you're doing that.
Thank you.
All right, if you provide proof of that with probation, they'll take that as a part of your community service restitution.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Sure.
And next time, we can go off the record. Next time, if you see a weapon, do not pick it up. You can go to the police and say, hey, there's a weapon here. Call somebody. But you're not supposed to possess any weapons, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
And Judge, we're ready on Agora whenever you are.
All right, thank you.
So, in the end, Frank Garza avoids prison time walking out with probation, a probated fine, parenting classes, and a strict set of conditions that could make or break his future. Forfeiting his firearm closes one chapter, but the next 2 years will determine whether he gets a true second chance or winds up back before this very judge. Cases like this remind us that justice isn't always black and white. Sometimes it's a negotiation between consequences and redemption. Now, we want to hear from you. Was this sentence too lenient, too strict, or just right? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom commentary.